Let's unbox the Turtle Beach VelocityOne race wheel and pedal system. First, some documentation. In this box we have the sim frame, screws, VCU screws, and pedal stability pads to keep everything secure. In this bag, the pedal cable, the cable for your PC or Xbox, and the VCU cable for the control unit. Here's the power supply cable with options for different countries plus a cover for your steering wheel. Speaking of the steering wheel, here it is, hand-stitched leather with Turtle Beach's magnetic paddle shifters for quick, precise shifts. Here's the power supply and then the VelocityOne control unit for quick car adjustments. Further in, we reach the wheelbase. Open this flap for the adjustment tool. Inside, you'll find the K-drive motor, delivering 7.2 Newton meters of force feedback to feel bumps, curves, and crashes. The integrated race management display provides real-time telemetry and customizable controls. Finally, the pedals. Solid aluminum with dynamic brake tech load cell brakes for that real-life braking feel.